The stock market is hitting fresh all-time highs, the VIX is crashing lower, and gold is rebounding a little bit. And this is because we finally got some CPI data, which came in better than expected. Check it out. We had a 3% inflation year-over-year read, which was lower than the forecasted 3.1%. Now, inflation is still rising, which is true, but remember that the Fed is poised to cut interest rates this year. You might say, well, why are they cutting interest rates if inflation is rising? Well, the main reason is that the jobs market is still in decline. And so the Fed is administering to both sides of their mandate, which is jobs, but also keeping an eye on inflation. And the Fed has deemed that the jobs market is currently the bigger risk, so they're deciding to cut interest rates. In 2024, we got our first rate cut, then we went on pause, we got a little bit more, and now it seems like the Fed is going to continue their process of cutting rates. The Fed cutting rates, corporate earnings coming in strong, and an economy that seems to be holding up, at least for now, is why I continue to remain long on the NASDAQ. I've been saying it in my content here recently, but I do think that the stock market can continue to push new all-time highs for now. And with the NASDAQ continuing to get a +9 very bullish score, I'm going to stay long until something changes in the macro or in price action. And if you want to hear a full podcast on this subject, check out the link in my profile.